Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to log in to IONOS control panel. Logging into the IONOS control panel is simple, but understanding what you're accessing is what actually matters. Because once you're inside, you're not just logged in, you're in the central system that controls your website, hosting, domains, and settings. First, open your browser and visit the official IONOS website. Then click Sign In. Choose Customer Account from the drop-down. IONOS has different login types. This is the main one for managing your account. You'll be asked to enter one of the following: either a customer ID, an email address, or a domain name. Then click Next. Type your password and click Next. You'll be logged into your account. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. This dashboard is your control panel. There isn't a separate control panel page and everything is managed from here. On the left side, you'll see different sections. The dashboard gives you an overview of your account, as well as quick stats and shortcuts. Websites manage your websites and help you access the website builder. My Store is where you find e-commerce features. Marketing gives you SEO tools and email marketing options as well. Apps help install and manage applications. Settings is for account and system configuration. Each section controls a different part of your online presence. What you just did: you accessed the IONOS login page, entered your credentials, logged into your dashboard, and accessed the control panel. You now have full access to your account. To summarize, logging into the IONOS control panel involves going to the website, clicking Sign In, selecting Customer Account, entering your login credentials, and accessing the dashboard, which acts as your control panel. From there, you can manage all aspects of your account. And that's how to log in to the IONOS control panel. It's simple, but what matters is what you do after logging in. Take a few minutes to explore the sections so you don't feel overwhelmed later. Because once you understand the layout, managing your website becomes way easier. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.